Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and Ejiubas has kindly sent me 4 of their brand new release stamping plates to review and do tutorials and show you guys. So on this video, I am going to show you EJB-10, EJB-X10 and EJB-X16. And that's because these 2 stamping plates come as a set together. They are sold together. The images, they are geared more towards maybe spring, summer. As you know, the other bottom half of the hemisphere, they are just like we are in the fall. They are into spring, and then we'll be later going into summer. So the opposite of us. So yes, for those of you down there, the plates are available on Amazon if you're in the US. If you are outside of the United States, you might be best checking out their website, Ejiubas.com. I will have the links, all links down in the description bar below. And as you can see, these plates are very well edged. They did come with a protective blue film, which I already removed when I jumped straight into these tutorials. They send them to me for review and to mainly come up with some images for them to use for their website and do some videos. But I also wanted to share with you guys as a promotion, let you know what is available now. If you guys have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will now leave you with the rest of the tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy.
Troubled minds know nothing better. The fire we created wasn't ember. Soon the flames grew tall and burned us out. Careless, said something that said you'll never meant it. Apologies ain't gonna get us mended. Let it go too many times to count. I think this door's closing. We got it open for a while. I think it's time to close it. Can't let the bad things hang around. Can't cut you out. I won't have it all together. Want you out. I know it's for the better. Cut you out. I want you out. Can't cut you out. I know. Indecisive. My head's okay, but my heart is divided. I'm having trouble making up my mind. Yeah, you gain so much, but there's so much to lose. Enticing, you're not finished, constantly reminding that I'm not finished getting out alive in this. You want so much, but you'll always have to choose. I think this door